Good morning to everyone. In this video we are going to see the Indian economic. In that we see types of unemployment presented by our Kalevani first year BCom A, cases Kasnara College of Arts and Science. Types of unemployment. What are the types we are going to see? Seasonal unemployment, cyclic unemployment, technical unemployment, frictional unemployment, structural unemployment, distinguished unemployment. Seasonal unemployment. Seasonal unemployment refers to a situation where a number of persons are not able to find jobs during some months of the year. Example, agriculture is seasonal activity. There is an increased demand for labours at a time of sowing, harvesting, weeding and testing. In between there are no labours are demanded. Agricultural labour find himself unemployed during this period. This is called seasonal unemployment. Cyclical unemployment. Cyclical unemployment occurs when there is not enough aggregated demand in the economy to provide jobs for everyone who wants to work. Demand for goods and service falls, less production is needed and less workers too. Technical unemployment. Unemployment caused by technology changes or new methods of production in industry or business. For example, the evaluation of automobile assembly plant. In the beginning, everything on the line was done by the human in order to build a car. The assembly line itself was a great technology innovation. Today, robots are employed for much of the handwork humans used to do. Frictional unemployment. This type of voluntary unemployment that arises because of time needed to match job seekers with job openings. Just a friction always takes place before the slider comes to its final position on the surface. People need time to find the job, like best job. Thus, voluntarily rubbing back and forth between choices and staying unemployed. When you make up your mind and set off looking for the better job, abandoning the current one, you are in the frictional unemployment labor force. Structural unemployment. This unemployment arises due to the structural changes in dynamic economy. Unemployment caused by massive mismatch of skills or geographic location is noted as structural unemployment. Example, heavy manufacture like mining. Manufacture now involves machines, so humans are no longer needed for the harder works. Structural unemployment poses more of the problem because workers must seek jobs elsewhere or must develop the skills demanded. This process is full of pain and frictions and may lead to negative impacts on society. Distinguished unemployment, where more people are engaged in some activities than the number of persons required for that. This is called distinguished unemployment. Example, an agriculture field requires 3 laborers but people engaged in this activity 6. Then this unemployment for 3 labor is called as distinguished unemployment. Cost of unemployment. Personal cost. Loss of paycheck. Loss of earning to the unemployed. Loss of self-esteem. Those who are unemployed will find it more difficult to get work in future. This is known as heuristic effect. Increase in social problems. Areas of high unemployment, especially youth unemployment, tends to have more crime and vandalism. Economic cost. Loss in output. Labor has productivity high or low depending on its skills and availability of capital per labor. Therefore, unemployment means loss of output expected from the unemployment of unemployed labor's force. Increased government borrowing. Tax revenue will fall because there are less people paying income tax and VAT. Also, the government will have to spend more on unemployment benefits. Lower GDP for the economy. The economy will be below full capacity. It is inefficient and will lead to lower outputs and incomes. Thank you. I hope this video to all you can able to understand the topics which were seen in this video.